Hi, I am Suraj Tripathi, Delivery Head at Cloud&Logy. I joined the company in July 2015, and over the past decade, my journey here has been nothing short of transformative. Together with Cloud&Logy family, I have grown alongside our clients, taking on challenges, building solutions, and shaping technology experiences that truly makes a difference. Being part of this team for 10 years has given me a front row seat to the evolution of Salesforce, CRM technologies, and full stack development, and it's been exhilarating to turn ideas into scalable solutions that impact real businesses. My professional journey has been deeply rooted in Salesforce development and full stack solutions. Over the years, I have contributed to over 50 projects, including 20 plus Salesforce integrations. I specialize in building robust feature ready application using technologies like LWC, React, Bootstrap, Apex, Node, Python, Django, AWS, and more. I help businesses solve complex problems, whether it's creating seamless mobile and web applications, designing scalable cloud solutions, or optimizing digital processes. My focus is always on delivering solutions that are not only technically sound, but also aligned with the client's business goals. From Android and iOS development to SaaS applications and IT consulting, I aim to provide end-to-end digital transformation for our clients. What has made this journey at Cloud&Logy so extraordinary is our culture. It's what allows technical expertise to translate into real business impact. Every solution we build is guided by a set of values that we live by every day. We embrace ownership, accountability, and responsibility, taking projects from concept to execution, ensuring every solution delivers tangible results. We thrive on learning, innovation, and growth continually, experimenting, evolving, and pushing the boundaries of technology. Our collaboration, community, and consistency means ideas flow freely, teams across geographics work as one, and excellence is delivered consistently. We also cherish diversity, equality, and inclusion, understanding that every perspective enriches our solutions. All of this comes together with a singular purpose: customer success. Every line of code, every integration, every project is designed to help our clients achieve their goals, and celebrating that success is what drives us forward. With my expertise in Salesforce and full stack development, combined with Cloud&Logy's end-to-end capabilities, we offer a comprehensive suite of services: Android and iOS application development, custom software solutions, SaaS platforms, web and cloud application development, UX design, and IT consulting. What sets us apart is our ability to understand complex business needs and deliver solutions that are scalable, intelligent, and aligned with long-term business goals. Whether it's a Salesforce integration, a custom application, or a complete digital transformation, we ensure precision, reliability, and measurable impact. If you are looking for a partner who can combine deep technical expertise with a culture of collaboration and a relentless focus on customer success, let's connect. I'd be glad to explore how Cloud&Logy can help you innovate faster, scale smarter, and transform your business for the future. Thank you for your time. I look forward to building something extraordinary together.